All right, our next analysis is on USD.CAD, and the theme of this analysis is to monitor pushes and exhaustions and how they come into play with our entries and what we're looking for at completion of exhaustion. So this is really about understanding the cycle and movement of the market. Okay, USD.CAD, starting on the monthly as usual, we see sell pressure turning into buy pressure on a horizontal axis. We see lower highs, so we identified our monthly downtrend. Now we're going to take it a little bit closer to look at a little bit more recent price action. All right, we're still on the monthly. We're just looking at price action a little bit closer to make sense of things. We see the push breaking our monthly zone to the upside. Price then went into consolidation with lower highs, so we identified our downtrend, and we see that. Now we know that price was respecting this downtrend. We see quite a lot of pins, meaning there was sell sensitivity. This push is significant, and after a push we do have exhaustion, which is why we're seeing this bearish candle. Let's take it down a time frame. All right, we've taken it down a time frame. I'm looking for our lower time frame zone. There's not much here that I can identify other than the zone we already identified. I can identify our trend line. We do have higher lows, so let's identify our trend line. All right, let's just make sense of things. Here's that break of the downtrend to the upside. This is a break of a significant area, so this is a push. After a push, we have an exhaustion, meaning that we have a potential continuational push to the upside at completion of exhaustion. So let's take it down a time frame. Entry one, very simple. We're waiting for price to make a full and complete exhaustion to what was its former downtrend. We're then waiting for buy orders to enter the market to confirm buy sensitivity, which is the energy we need for the continuational push to the upside. Now here's the key to this trade. This is a strong exhaustion. We have 4 strong bearish candles. If price continues with this strength to the downside, one confirmation is not enough. We're going to need double, maybe even triple confirmation before we have security entering to the long side. Entry one, we're staying patient. We're waiting for price to reach its former downtrend. This is going to be an impulse move due to the buy orders that are previously there, like the buy limit orders. We do not enter on the first impulse move. We're waiting for exhaustion, and we're waiting for confirmation too. This is the second wave of buy orders. This is our confirmation of buy orders, and then we're entering long on price action confirmation, which is a bullish engulfing candle. So to simplify, wait for the completion of exhaustion. We're going to see an impulse move to the upside. We do not enter on impulse move. We then wait for price to come back and retest once again. We wait for the second confirmation of buy orders to enter the market, and we enter long on a bullish engulfing candle. All right, so that's it for USD.CAD, and the most important thing to remember is that price is in a deep and strong exhaustion, meaning that we need a double confirmation, possibly even a triple confirmation before entering continuational push to the upside. This is a strong exhaustion, meaning there's a lot of sellers in the market. Price is going to test that next area of sensitivity quite deep. I would suggest not placing a buy limit order because price may, due to its strength, push to the downside. But if price fails to push to the downside or continue to the downside, we know that it's a good entry for our continuational push to the upside. Have a great day, and as usual, press that like button if you learned anything in this analysis.